GBP NZD live trade breakdown. Hello and welcome, and let's take a look on GBP NZD. These are clips that I recorded live, so let's watch them and then I will show you on chart why exactly I took this trade. This trade is still active, so it's not closed, but we will see how far it can go. I have my targets and I will be explaining it on the chart. So this was about 2 hours ago. As you can see, it just tapped, bounced from my entry point, from my pending order. So stops are now to break even and I'm targeting these highs. And now let's take a look on chart. So this is before I took this trade, and as you can see, what are these signs? Well, this is liquidity. This is where stops are. So people see this as strong support, strong resistance. I see it as a stop losses, as a money, as a liquidity. So at this point I was looking at this pair. I go from monthly to weekly, but when I go on 4 hour, I see different story. These candles, this price action is telling you story. The question is, are you listening or you just watch it? I read this story. You can see we bounce from this strong support. We bounce 3rd times. And now this wick. Why it wicked? Why it wicked like this? Do you think it's random? Do you think it's all random? We just wick it and now at this point we have buyers and they were fighting against each other. I don't think it's like this. We wick it because we collected these orders. People have their stop losses here. They were expecting it to bounce, and in truth it bounced, but not with them. It went up again, but they don't want you to go up with them. So they wick it, they collect these orders, these stop losses, and now it went up. And as you can see, it bounced from all of these wicks. So what this told me is that we will just bounce from this gap. This is the gap I'm talking. The price will fill this gap eventually. So I was looking at it. I put my pending order at the middle of this candle, and this is what happened. It went down, and you can see strong rejection on 4 hour. Then it went up, and now we are here. So now stops to break even, and I'm expecting it to move up and collect these orders. So I'm expecting it to the price that it will go up around this position. I'm not sure about that. We could also reject from this resistance and go down, but since you can see a lot of rejection from it, you can be sure that eventually, and I think it will happen now, we will break this and collect these stop losses, maybe go up, maybe go down. I'm not sure about that. I don't even care, because I was buying at this point and now we are moving up. So let's see. Now, I was watching some videos today about trade breakdowns, and I see something about Euro USD. And again, what can you see? The Monday started. I will select session breaks. So at this point, the Monday started. So people were looking on this trade. they saw that it reject if we go back in time to this point. So most likely people draw their support, their resistance lines. They saw it to go down, and everyone was thinking, well, this is trend line, you know, you can draw a trend line. You know, we have lower highs, lower lows, we have rejection from this. This is perfect. This is perfect sell. It will obviously sell a lot. But again, what do we have above this trend line? Yes, we have stop losses here. What do we have above these resistance? Again, stop loss. Here, stop loss. So what do we need to do before moving down? We need to collect this money. And you can see that, no, you will not go with us. We need your stop loss. And now we are here, so let's see. We collected a lot of money just with this move. And now I honestly think that we will go up and reject from this from above these equal highs, but it also may just reject from this and go down. I'm not sure about that. So let's see, but I'm seeing Euro USD to go up and run the stops of traders on above these equal highs, but we will see. We will see. But this is the reason why this sell did not work it. It was too obvious, and when it's too obvious, you better not trade it. If you see too obvious trend line, if you see too obvious, too clear break and resistance trade, lower highs, lower lows, then you can be sure that we are very soon, or we are very much in the time where it will go down, it will go against this direction. So this was breakdown of GBP NZD. Hopefully it helped you in some way. If you are interested in more guides, tips, then make sure to watch my other videos on this channel. I have more strategies that I am using that you can use. I have rules, helpful tips, helpful strategies, all is free. So make sure to watch it. Subscribe to this channel, The Streams of Wealth. This channel is all about wealth. So if you are interested in this, make sure to subscribe. And that's it for this video. I wish you all the best and goodbye.